Hello friends, so in this video we are going to talk about definitions of chapter 2 and chapter 3 of maths. First is prime numbers. Numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Example, 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Like this, 5 and 7 are also prime numbers. Composite numbers. Numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Example, 21 and 22 are composite numbers. You can say 4 is also a composite number. Even numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at one's place are called even numbers. That is, they are divisible by 2. Example, 157692 is even number because the digit at one's place is 2, which is divisible by 2. Odd numbers which have 13579 at one's place are called odd numbers, that is, they are not divisible by 2. Example, 1567895 is odd number because it is having 5 at its one's place. I wrote wrong spellings of ones over here. Yeah. And 5 is not divisible by 2. So it is odd number. Next is whole numbers. Numbers which start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on till infinity are called whole numbers. Natural numbers which start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes till infinity are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers. Co-prime numbers whose common factor is 1 are called co-prime numbers. Now over here, co-prime numbers cannot be only prime, they can be any number. Even they can be composite numbers too. So 4 and 9, they are composite but they are co-prime as their common factor is 1. And any two composite numbers are always co-prime numbers. Like if I take 102 and 103, it is a co-prime number. You can check it out. If I say 72, 73, then also it is a co-prime number. Now comes the next definition, twin prime. The prime numbers whose differences 2 are called twin prime numbers. Example, 5 and 7 are twin prime numbers, 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. 11 and 13 are also twin prime numbers. Don't forget to write the prime numbers. This is very important. The twin prime numbers are always prime. Okay. Next is perfect number. A number whose sum of factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. A perfect number is 6. Next is HCF, highest common factor. It is such a number which is greatest common factor of two or more given numbers. LCM, lowest common multiple. It is such a number which is least common multiple, or you can say smallest common multiple of two or more given numbers. Next is GCD, greatest common divisor. It is such a number which is greatest common divisor of two or more given numbers. Next is what is additive identity for whole numbers? 0 is additive identity for whole numbers. What is multiplicative identity for whole numbers? 1 is multiplicative identity for whole numbers. Next is closure property. Whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication. This is the way to write the closure property. The definition. Commutative property. Addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers, and subtraction and division are not commutative for whole numbers. Distributive property. The right way to write the definition of distributive property is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Here we end the definitions, and in the next video we will be uploading some extra question answers of this chapter. Chapter 3, which will be including fill-ups, properties, true false of prime numbers and composite numbers. Thank you. Stay connected.